baking soda, baking powder, sugar, salt. Eggs, buttermilk, butter, one more?
Uh,
Or is that good enough?
maybe just
The end result?
yeah.
All right.